Hey guys, welcome to the techvole channel. If you are still writing down your card number, account number, or address every time you want to send it to someone, or if you are always looking around to copy it, then this video is for you. Follow this path. Go to the setting, search for text replacement, open it. Tap the plus sign on the right side. Write postal code, bank account number, or anything you want. Write keyword in the shortcut section and save it. And now write the keyword in SMS and press the space button. If this video was useful for you, subscribe to our channel, techvole channel, and please don't forget to like.